Hey, it's the only VPNs.net team. In this video we'll be doing an Expressvpn review. We'll be covering Expressvpn security, speeds, pricing and more. Before we dive in, I just wanted to mention that we'll have discounted links to Expressvpn and other VPNs in the description below this video. These are affiliate links, and if you use them you help support our channel. With this quick intro out of the way, let's dive into the Expressvpn review. To kick things off, let's start off with security. Expressvpn has everything that most users would want or need in terms of VPN security. Currently, Expressvpn has more than 3,000 servers across 94 countries. This number has been on the rise, and we expect that to continue. Expressvpn has a strict no-activity logs policy and their own lightweight protocol there. Expressvpn app takes the guesswork out of protocols by automatically selecting the best protocol for you based on the quality of your internet connection. They also have a kill switch which ensures no data leaks if your connection drops, and they do not keep track of your data. Additionally, Expressvpn has military-grade 256-bit encryption rate. Expressvpn also took their transparency to another level by getting independently audited to validate these security claims by PricewaterhouseCoopers. This is something that not many VPN companies around the world have done. Additionally, Expressvpn has security apps for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, Chromebooks, browser extensions and more. This is more than most VPN providers offer, and we personally love the easy-to-use browser extensions. It's worth noting that the kill switch feature is only available on Windows, Mac and Linux. If you run into any issues or security-related questions, they've got good support in the forms of articles, email and live chat. When we take a look at speed, Expressvpn finished as the second fastest VPN. When compared to over a dozen other popular VPNs, Expressvpn also works great for streaming and torrenting. The only VPN that we had faster speeds when using was NordVPN, which we'll also have a link to below this video. Overall, they do a great job at streaming, and you shouldn't have any real issues if you're trying to watch something like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, YouTube and many more. It's also worth noting that Expressvpn does a good job at making the process of connecting very newbie-friendly so that you can get fast connection in a matter of seconds. Next, let's move on to pricing. We're not going to be around the bush here. Expressvpn doesn't offer the cheapest VPN plans out there. They may not be the cheapest option around, but they do offer a very high-quality service. Expressvpn currently offers 3 plans. The plans are normally around $13 for 1 month, $10 per month for 6 months and little over $6 per month for a 15-month commitment. Again, we'll try to offer you an Expressvpn discount with better prices down below. One thing that may be of interest to some of you is that Expressvpn can accept payments via Bitcoin. They also allow you to connect 5 devices simultaneously, regardless of which plan that you're on, and lastly, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. There are some other things that we think are worth mentioning about Expressvpn. They've been around since 2009 and they're truly a leader in VPNs. We've reviewed and tried out numerous VPN providers, and oftentimes we'll search websites for information and it's nowhere to be found. In the case of Expressvpn, we think they provide the most information on their website and that they're probably the most transparent company in the VPN space. Overall, for the average user, Expressvpn is a great choice. It's currently one of our top recommendations overall, so if they sound like they could be the right fit for you, we'll link to our Expressvpn discount below. We'll regularly update this discount to ensure that you're getting the best price available. We appreciate you watching this Expressvpn review. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe to the Only VPNs channel. Thanks for watching.